Hey guys, it's Miss B. So I decided to create my own video to teach you the comma rules because the one that I was going to use was mildly inappropriate for school. So we're going to learn about 8 basic comma rules, and today we're going to start with comma rule number 1. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to take a note card and I want you to put on it comma rule number 1. Okay, comma rule number 1. On the back of the note card, I want you to write this rule. Use commas to separate items. Here, let me hold it up. Whoa, too far. Okay. Use commas to separate items in a list of 3 or more. So, for example, I need to buy eggs, milk, lettuce, and bread. See how there's a comma after eggs, a comma after milk, and a comma after lettuce because I'm supposed to teach you the Oxford comma method. We've talked about this in class before. This is the easiest comma rule, I think. Okay, if this isn't enough time to copy this note card down on your comma rule number 1 note card, please pause the video now so that you can copy it down. Okay, so in that first comma rule, you need to put a comma after a series of 3 items, and those 3 items could be adjectives, but they could also be nouns or verbs. So for example, if I have my favorite colors are blue. The screen doesn't hold very much. My favorite colors are blue, red, and pink, and I wanted to create or put the commas in so that I'm following the comma rules. I would go, my favorite colors are blue, comma, red, comma, and pink. Like this. Do you guys like how I have props? Okay. So my favorite colors are blue, comma, red, comma, and pink. So those are obviously 3 adjectives in the series, and so that's why we would put the 3 commas, or the 2 commas, excuse me. But the same rule applies if we're talking about nouns. So in this example, we have Carlos wants to visit Paris, Italy, Germany, and China. First of all, kids, know how I used capitals when listing out Paris, Italy, Germany, and China because these are proper nouns. So because I have a series of actually 4 items this time, which falls within the realm of 3 or more, I'm going to put a comma after each of the nouns to make it correct. So Carlos wants to visit Paris, Italy, Germany, and China. Same thing applies if we're doing verbs. So in this example, we have I like to go hiking, fishing, swimming, and camping during summer. So again, I'm going to put a comma after hiking, a comma after fishing, a comma after swimming, before the and camping. So here you can see I like to go hiking, comma, fishing, comma, swimming, comma, and camping, no comma, during summer. So to practice this, I want you to go into iExcel, okay? And I'm going to post which specific iExcel target I want you to work on in Google Classroom under your English class. So if you're in my Period 1 English, you'll go to ELA Period 1, and there you'll find the link to this video and the link to the iExcel target. If you're in my Period 2 English class, you'll go to your Period 2, okay? If you guys like the video, I will do another one for the next comma rule. Thanks.